Hey guys, so today I will help you with imperative sentences, how to frame a imperative sentences. Before that, let's see what is exactly imperative. A sentence with imperative gives advice or an instruction or express a command or request. Then you will use imperative like right. For example, drive carefully. This is a advice. If you want to give instructions, you can say eat the vegetables. Shut the door is a command. And if you want to make a request, you can say please explain it again. Right. Next is where you have to use Anwendung. We will use imperative with do, ear and sie. So do and ear are informal and sie is formal. Let's see. When you know the person informally, and that case you will use do case. If you know more than one person informally, then you have to use ear. If you know the person formally, whether it is singular or plural, you will use sie form. Right. So let's take an example. Speak slowly. In this sentence, my verb is speak. In German it is sprechen. So let's see the verb conjugation. It is ich spreche, du sprichst, sie spricht, wir sprechen, ihr sprecht, sie sprechen. So if you want to form imperative sentences, you have to do only that you will change the verb only. There will be no subject in case of do. For example, if it is do, then my sentence will be spricht langsamer. But it is incorrect. So how do we form spricht? We use sprich plus st. So what we will do, we will remove this st. Then the remaining will be my do imperative like sprich langsamer. Right. Next is ear. With ear, my speak will be sprecht. The verb conjugation is sprecht. So it will be sprecht langsamer. And the same for the sie form, it will be sprechen sie langsamer. Speak slowly. Next is, so my next verb is machen. Like do quickly. To do in German is machen. My verb conjugation is ich mache, du magst, sie es mag, wir machen, ihr magt, sie machen. So how will I form this? It should be marked schneller, but again it is incorrect. So I will remove this st from marked. Then it will be marked schneller. Next is ear. Ear, it will be same, sprecht marked schneller. With sie, it will be same, machen sie schneller. Do quickly. Next is call me. Okay, so it means anrufen. So with anrufen, my verb conjugation is ich rufe an, rufst an, ruft an, rufen an, ruft an, rufen an. Because this is a trennbaren verb, right? So how will I form the imperative with the do? It should be rufst mich an, but as we know it is incorrect, so I will remove that st. And it will be ruf mich an. Right. Whenever you will form a do imperative, you have to remove st. With ear, it is same, ruft mich an. And for sie, it is rufen sie mich an. Correct. Next is get up, which means aufstehen. This is again a trennbaren verb. So my verb conjugation is ich stehe auf, steht auf, steht auf, stehen auf, steht auf, stehen auf. With do, it will be steh auf. So I will remove that st. Then it will be steh auf instead of steht auf. Right. So the correct is steh auf. With ear, steht auf. And for the sie formal, it will be stehen sie auf. So guys, that's all. Practice it more and more, and if you like my video, then please like, subscribe and share. Bis done and cheers. See you and bye.